Brand new 745 being dragged just up here, and terminus 37. Brand new 745 being dragged. I'm try and focus it. It should come through. Because they're being dragged by a 37. A 37 is a very slow Europheonix pull car. Yes, we're coming. Is it coming? There you see, there's 745 attached to a 37 Europheonix. And that 745 may come into service. They did say to me there is 3 running this week, so there could be more. Really want to get on these train 745s. Car. There it is at the end. Oh, so happy. You can see it go. I want to see it go. I want to see it up. There it is. 745. Like that train.